I ordered the Dell G15 Ryzen Edition gaming laptop. This video is just going to be a review of the purchase process, the delivery, and then finally the unboxing. The Dell G15 Ryzen is basically a budget edition gaming laptop. It has good specs, but it doesn't have the latest and greatest hardware. It also comes in around half the price of more expensive Alienware gaming laptops. I always recommend checking for coupon codes available for Dell.com and also going to sites like Rakuten and seeing what the cashback offer is at the current time. Sometimes during promotional periods, you can get some really good deals. At the time I was ordering, there was a 10% cashback offer through Rakuten. All I had to do was click a link from Rakuten that goes to Dell.com, and Rakuten would pay me 10% of whatever purchase I made at Dell. So in this case, it would be approximately $62.50. Throughout the process of configuring the Dell laptop, there are always lots of different markups. They try and tempt you with different accessories or warranties, but in general, I ignore all of these and just try and take the lowest configuration possible, remove any accessories, and then go through the checkout. Now watch as I enter the coupon code here in the top right corner, and you'll see that the price gets decreased further. After clicking on checkout, you go to a screen where you get to choose your shipping and billing address. Make sure they're correct. You also get different quoted delivery times. You can upgrade delivery for faster delivery. I just stuck with the regular since it would be 5 days, and that's fine by me. On the very last screen, you enter your credit card information, and then after you enter your credit card information, Dell goes through a payment verification process, and then when that's finished, you finally get to the completed order screen. Finally, once Dell has processed your order and done everything on their end, they will send you an email with a confirmation of the order and the details of that order. And I should also note that soon after this, I got an email from Rakuten to say that they had received notification from Dell and that my cashback bonus was pending. The specs I had on the G15 Ryzen Edition gaming laptop that I ordered are as follows: an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H mobile processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, a 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD, a battery with 3-cell 56 watt-hours of energy, Windows 11 operating system, a 15.6-inch display with 1920 by 1080 resolution, 8GB of memory, and then killer Wi-Fi 6, AX1650, and Bluetooth. Amazingly, the Dell G15 came within 2 days of ordering. I was outside when the UPS guy came, so I just grabbed it right off of him. Here's the unboxing of the Dell G15 Ryzen Edition. Inside was a laptop, a large size power adapter, and then a small instruction manual. I got the G15 with the phantom gray with speckles. I kind of like the design. It's a little more friendly looking than the dark gray. On the left side, we just have the Gigabit Ethernet port and also the audio combo port. On the right side, we have two USB 2.0 ports. On the back side, we have a USB-C port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, an HDMI port, and then a power jack adapter port. Notice on the bottom, there are plenty of vents for exhausting heat and keeping the laptop cool. The screen has 250 nits of brightness. While that appears okay indoors, as you can see here, it looks bright enough. Outdoors in the sun, you will not be able to see the screen since it will not be bright enough. The keyboard has a generous size and is backlit. The touchpad, however, is rather small for the size of the laptop. Notice the design with the speckles in it. It really stands out when the light is bright in the room. I kind of like the speckles. The screen hinges are very strong for this laptop. You will need two hands to open and close the screen. Thanks for watching this Dell G15 Ryzen Edition purchase and unboxed review. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.